Hi everybody, my name's Mrs Mottram and I'm the Head of Geography at Tupton Hall School. I want to speak with you today about why you should take Geography at Gcse. Geography is a very relevant subject in our society today, and as the quote there from Michael Palin states, geography is the subject which holds the key to our future. Geography helps you to make sense of the world around you, and it looks at both human and physical geography and people's interactions with these different environments. There are 3 papers on the GCSE Geography course. Paper 1, Living with the Physical Environment. Paper 2, Challenges with the Human Environment. And Paper 3, Geography Applications. Paper 1 is looking at the physical environment, and there's 3 sections to this paper. The first is natural hazards, and we look at both tectonic hazards, so we look at different examples of earthquakes. We also look at weather hazards and tropical storms, and we look at extreme weather within the UK. The second section, section B, is looking at physical landscapes in the UK, which are our rivers and coasts, and then we look at the living world in section C, and we focus on tropical rainforests and cold environments. In paper 2, where we look at the challenges in the human environment, we look at urban issues and challenges. We look at examples of Sheffield and we look at Rio de Janeiro as our contrasting examples. In section B, we look at the change in economic world, and we look at that through examples of the UK and India and how they both changed over time. And in section C, we look at the challenge of resource management. So we look at the management of food, water and energy, and then we focus in on water. The third paper is called Geographical Applications, and this paper really tests your ability to think critically and to solve problems. The paper is divided into 2 parts. Section A is the issues evaluation, so you're given pre-release material on an aspect of subject content linked to a geographical issue, and then you answer questions about this in the exam. So past examples have included tropical rainforests and urban environments. Section B is based on field work. Now during the course you will have taken part in 2 field trips and you will have collected primary data. You will then answer questions about these in the exam. The first field trip that you will take part in is a trip to the Holderness coast, to the places of Hornsea and Flamborough Head, and here you will look at coastal processes and coastal landforms and judge the effectiveness of coastal management strategies. The second trip is an urban study of regeneration in Sheffield, and you will look specifically at the moor in Sheffield and look at how it's changed and regenerated over time. Whilst you're there, you will complete primary data collection. Over the past few years, we have had the opportunity to take part in residential trips to both Iceland and Italy to study natural hazards. The first topic that you will study in geography is tectonic hazards, and you will be able to study this in much more depth than you did at Key Stage 3. It's also really important that if you choose geography as one of your GCSE option choices, that you are committed to working hard in each and every lesson, and that you are resilient when you are working. So therefore, if you find something a little bit difficult, you really try your hardest to complete it rather than just giving up. We also want you to be an active member of the class and actively participate in classroom discussions. Geography teaches you many transferable skills that employers really value. It also combines well with any other GCSE subject. When you're thinking about your future career and where that might take you, geography can help you move into one of these different career paths. It might be into the energy and utility sector. It might be into agriculture. You might choose to move and work in education. You might go into the science and research sector, or the public sector, or even into consultancy. I'm going to leave you with a quote from the former President Barack Obama. The study of geography is about more than just memorising places on a map. It's about understanding the complexity of our world, appreciating the diversity of cultures that exist across continents, And in the end, it's about using all that knowledge to help bridge divides and bring people together. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this presentation. If you have any questions about your Geography GCSE option choice, then please speak to your geography teacher. Thank you.